Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your server logs for affiliate troubleshooting. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying the specific server logs you need for affiliate troubleshooting. Access your server using a secure connection, such as SSH for Linux-based systems. For Windows servers, use Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP. Navigate to the directory where your server logs are stored. Common locations may include /var/log/ for Linux or c:\logs/ for Windows. Next, determine the format of the logs you want to back up. This may include text files, CSV files, or other formats relevant to your server setup. Create a designated backup folder on your local machine or external storage device. Ensure that this backup location has enough space for all the logs you plan to save. Use a file transfer protocol, such as SFTP or FTP, to initiate the backup. Open your preferred file transfer client and connect to your server. Locate the server logs in the File Explorer of the client. Select the logs you wish to back up. Drag and drop these files into your designated backup folder. Alternatively, use command line tools to copy the logs directly. For Linux, use the scp command followed by the log file path and destination. For Windows, use the copy command in Command Prompt or PowerShell. Confirm that the transfer was successful by checking the size and integrity of the copied files. Once you have verified the backup, consider setting a reminder to schedule future backups. Repeat this process regularly, especially after making significant changes or updates to your affiliate settings. In case of issues, refer back to the backed up logs for effective troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.